Okay, really quick video today, really useful video for that matter. Let's say we want to reorder our columns, our variable columns within a data set. So let's take care of that. Let's take a look at what we have going on in set A over here. So as you can see, set A has variable A, B, C, W, X, Y, Z. And we want to reorder these columns and place them in an order that we would prefer. So let's get out of this here. So what we're going to do is we're going to draw from set A, we're going to create set B, and we're going to reorder the columns. So column X is listed first, column Y is listed second, column Z is listed third, and column W is listed last, or so you might think. So let's go ahead and run this real quick. As you can see, we had successful execution of our code, and now we have data set B here. So as you can see, our code executed appropriately, but because we didn't mention A, B, and C, they just got moved to the back of our order as far as ordering columns is concerned. So again, we can order it any way we like, but if we only indicate a certain number of columns that we're interested in, those columns are going to be moved to the front of the set in the particular order that we determine. But the other columns which weren't mentioned, they'll remain in the same order and they'll be moved to the back of the set. So again, just to drive this home, A, B, C, W, X, Y, Z. Okay. And we're moving X, Y, Z, and W to the front. We're not touching A, B, C. Then in our new set, we have X, Y, Z, W, as we specified, and A, B, C listed at the very end. So I hope that you found this particular video helpful. Please like and subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you later. Take care.